Hello, little artists! Are you ready to create something bright and cheerful today? We're going to draw a rainbow sunflower. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. First, let's draw a big circle in the middle. This will be the center of our sunflower. Next, we'll draw 8 petals around the circle. Make them nice and big. Now, let's give our flower some personality by drawing eyes and a big smiley mouth. To make it even more adorable, let's draw 2 small heart shapes near the face.
Awesome!
Our drawing is complete. Looking awesome, isn't it? Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Our rainbow sunflower looks fantastic. Now it's time to bring our sunflower to life with some bright colors. Here are our crayons. We will use all the colors of the rainbow to make our sunflower extra special. Let's start coloring and say the colors together. Light peach color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Indigo color. color. Light pink color. Rose pink color.
Awesome!
Let's clean up our artwork and make sure it looks perfect. Amazing job, little artist! Your rainbow sunflower is beautiful and colorful. Keep practicing and making awesome art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.